Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Mogabe adwuma ewo Power FM ono na hosti program awatuni inside politics. Na Ghana for na ende omo akomo adwen ede akere Mogabe left right center anya asem keto akra. Omo nsem omo keina ne se enti aho sa no NDC supporters are omugu social media ewo radio so TV so etoto ayampia ekekensem hu no enti saa suban ya modern dey we na modern press Oman penida da John Dramani Mahama emeye president yi ene na da bi omende anasa ochina na nenti Ghana fo akekomo adwen ede akere Mogabe na ene se ena no na NDC fo omo ye omo primaries omoto omo aba eyi omo presidential candidates and afenso parliamentary candidates na about ni mu no ene nsem e course nyensem keto akra NDC fo so wonte asese na no by election course wo kumawu and people for akoche mu ene ayensem bibre ena no NDC fo omo primary so omo call yi omo chair cylinders yete se cars kra pepe mu ene Oman penida da John Dramani Mahama the trend pa e when this for about almost 2 ni mu ni say o che 40 Ghana cedis de ma delegate bia e na Ghana fo e bo modern fa pen e na paper to e calculate sikani na akosi 1.2 million dollars se cedis nzu nani na Ghana fo e che say no man pende da John Dramani Mahama den NDC for so what is the new memo economy no say apansam atete apansam and his excellency na nado dan kwakufa de hu ne left from the right hu de oye o man ni sike ni na de NDC for akasa na ena no abakeka mo kwakoto keke no kra o man penida da John Dramani Mahama wan kasa be nyese ka oboka one city mpo because wan kasa obi uncontested Ura kodobo nzio no nya de no obedi awrobi keke ura Dr. Kwabnado fo ena ka oyese nko no ba be pimpim so na ndezi mo ye ya frustrated papa ya na ofim ndika tikara o che no adinta akoche iska no adinta akoche ena wa akoche so prep 1.2 million mana ade na e was sense me ho ena Oman Hene Kwabna Asante oye adwuma ewo Adom FM Adom TV Asempa FM oni obi omo discussion ewo ekosi senso na eno na Oman Hene ya wadu buache e de enseme tu dwa no o kire se ze Oman penda da John Dramani Mahama sika na okwache no me kra ne se yenti ensema Oman Hene ya sorry Oman Hene Kwabna Asante e de etija
the shock of my life that officially from the former president's camp and to the handlers of the former president.
Yes.
You are giving out 40 Ghana cedi to over 299,000 MPP delegates.
No, NDC
delegates as what?
Transportation.
For what?
In the
for
statement.
What? That you do, baby, and our batwono. We need to be induced.
No, how do you say inducement?
Now we are seven hacking. A patriotic gesture, no, our door party.
For
what? International elections, are we saying that the national elections is, all potential NDC sympathizers, they shouldn't be encouraged. I'm so worried.
Also, John Mahama thanks NDC executives across the country, announces TNT package for delegates.
No, Baobi.
Transportation.
No, but I'm saying that let's not do this.
40 cedis
let's
per
not
person.
do this. Unim, lawyer Chumbe Mane, Collins, Adumako Mensa, is that correct?
Yes, yes.
It's you all Collins Adumako Mensa raised by said no, may have been off, but I don't think that knowing who the former president is, an advocate for funding of political parties, anyhow or Kutia Katachane Proeno, or Betro Krata, idea dancers say delegates I Kotuaba. And then they are about to know as I say about TNT.
Yes, so we're electoral college, we're a specific delegate.
And national. But you know what it does? So the next person knows one follow suit. And not just I didn't know our party to Aba. Because our party had no position for almost 8 years. When it bring when it saw a year come to say, open so party, but on my pair party, you know. One Bema Ghana for the drone now, I don't know. Also a party on top Brusso. Say this car.
Yeah.
So when would you?
But you're walking distance to
the crown is dangerous. And these are several things I will be at no. Say patriotic aspect no. You do say
is it your worry say omoye official public
it
in
is,
an official communication?
It should not
because
be,
we know say all other aspirants no. There's one more call for parliamentary as obi a TNT for delegates.
Corruption. We can't fight corruption in this country again. That's why I say the MPP should not even attempt to take advantage. I'm hearing that the OSP no ever fresh certain percent. I'm hearing. I'm not yet confirmed.
Ebusuafo ensem we na Oman Hene yawo. Sorry, Oman Hene Kwabena Sante de etudwa no wie no na Mogabe nso ebe reply na yentie Mogabe nso ne reply a ode bai.
To come out. Na me di siawo. Uwo to me sa obekasa. Asa Jomahama ama delegates kasika. Sebe Jimmy Forte saw. Ba wo me na akakas more than 100 there. Ye and na motor we so eba no. Ba wo me akas ne dia. Oman Hene Kwabena Sante monkey like you. Ba wo me akas no. Who had the right to talk about Jomahama? TNT 40 Ghana dia manipa. Useless one. Ama for enam kumawu acha envelopes. Ama for nam kumawu acha ntoma. Ama for nam kumawu acha emo. Useless man baga biga te sa uhu dia kwaso kumawu. But you have the right to talk about John Mahama. Krema baby te sa. Bring it on. Bring it on. Multimedia ama for na waso. Aba funa mo awa Ghana ha. Sebe kwasia bia na agya no.
Ebusuafo yate ensema Mogabe nso ede etudwa na e was ensem ya Mogabe ebe ma reply na Ghana for se mu ndesi fu yehwehwe nim pa mu de mo yayeye NPP fo yayeye ma se NPP na ndesi mu na mo kode abrɛ mo na yenti ensema Ghana fo anasa reply de ma Mogabe we eye ochre na ochre say we all listened to Kwabena Asante and he criticized both parties for doing that. So why this insults? These uncultured behaviors will always put NDC behind. In politics, we don't target those that already love your party, but the neutral that can change their minds, easily based on what the party says. This kind of insult do not help. NDC has a long way to go since they are not willing to change. Into and Ocheren so ne say maybe no dey out of honor and when so Nicholas and Oche say. But I think you should be jubilating that NDC is not coming to power. But why are you rather worried for them on Wasre? And when so Martin here and Oche say this is too much bullshit in Ghana. And when so Kwabena Nyako and Oche say this is why drug abuse is bad. And this Mogabe guy can only talk like this under the influence of expired weed. And then in some Ghana for de abre Mogabe wabra okay canadrin de eche Oman Hene Kwabena Asante.